Good morning, students. So, today we are going to see about the fundamentals of management unit 2. Unit 2, the topic is functions of management and leadership. Okay, so the FOM, what are the leadership you are going to be intimate an organization inside the FOM. The first one will call it as a planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, leadership and concept, nature, important attributes of the leader and developing leaders across the organization, leadership and grade. Okay, so we are going to see the unit 2. The first topic is planning. So planning is nothing but the process of setting goals and choosing the best course of action to achieve them. That means effective and efficient in the FOM. So these are the characteristics they are planning to achieve the action. So the first one, primary function, base for all other marriageable function and goal attained, aims to achieving specific objective and future oriented, involves forecasting future condition, continuous process, planning must be upgraded regularly, and then the required at all the levels of top, middle and lower, involve direction, decision making, choosing among alternative, intellectual and process is nothing but require creativity and thinking. Flexible plans may change with circumference. So next we are going to see about the importance of planning here. So in the FOM, provide the direction, reduce uncertainty, minimizing wastage of resources, improve coordination, facilities of decision making, and encourage innovation and creativity. Helps in controlling planning in base of control. So these are the first half of the unit 1. Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue the unit 2 of the topic. Thank you.